Across the globe, the only liquid that people drink more of than tea is water. That's right, tea is the second most consumed drink in the entire world. Generally, it's known as a hot drink that comes from pouring boiling water over dried leaves of shrubs or other plants, called by different names, having different benefits and various colors. All teas are definitely not created equally. Black and red teas are popular in Europe and Africa, but green tea might just be the most well-rounded and healthy tea you can find, no matter where you're from. Take a look at a few reasons why this Asian tea is growing in popularity around the world. It lowers blood pressure. Researchers have discovered that drinking green tea consistently can have a noticeably positive impact on people who suffer from high blood pressure. It's necessary to drink 4 cups a day for several months for the benefits to be noticed in some people. It doesn't have much caffeine compared to coffee or black tea, so 4 cups would be perfect to consume each day. It lowers blood sugar. Blood pressure isn't the only thing that we want to lower as we age. For those who are borderline diabetic, green tea could help you naturally lower your blood sugar and avoid becoming a full-blown diabetic. By slowing down the liver's production of glucose, green tea's phenols, also known as tannins, work like insulin, assisting all types of people with diabetes. Aids in weight loss. If you've plateaued on your journey to a slimmer waist, adding green tea could give you the extra push to drop those unwanted pounds. The phenols and antioxidants in green tea ramp up the hormones responsible for breaking down fat. Thanks to this process, fat can be transferred into energy once it enters the bloodstream. Healthy teeth. Green tea, when consumed consistently, can have a fantastic benefit to our oral health. It can improve both the state of our teeth and gums. Your chances of having a winning smile improve with each cup of green tea that you drink every day. The powerful antioxidants in green tea fight off harmful bacteria that tends to flourish in warm, wet environments. Healthier hair. Green tea contains high levels of vitamin B, the same vitamin that's responsible for strong, healthy hair. This vitamin puts important minerals back in hair that's been mistreated or neglected. Plus, it could slow down hair loss. This wonderful drink blocks the production of dihydrotestosterone, or DHT, which is known as the principal culprit in male and female pattern baldness. It turns back the clock. Well, not literally, but it may seem like it. First, green tea reduces cholesterol levels, putting you at less risk of heart disease, so you'll feel better and younger when you're drinking green tea regularly. Secondly, it battles oxidation with its well-documented antioxidants. This virtually turns back the clock and makes us not only feel younger, but also look younger. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.